Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Previous video we will discuss about subdomain enumeration, which is web-based tutorial. This video we will discuss about how to gather information about your target company and their employee details with easy way. Previous video we will show all web-based tool. Next video we will discuss about subdomain enumeration, which is Linux based tool, how to find best subdomain with their IP address, which is Linux based. So before we start this video, please note that disclaimer: this video made for education purpose only. This video does not promote any harm and violence and illegal activity. If you harm any person or any company, do not responsible for that. Let's start. We will see a powerful web-based tool. Employee details, collect employee details last in the video. So do not skip the video. Please watch till end. And this video I will show a tool which made by me about company number, email ID and company address. Let's talk about on this, how to find this type of information in manually. So firstly we open any website. Here I open 3 website. So when you visit a new website, so first of all visit main domain and home page, and here you can see on footer section. Here you can get company details like email ID and their location, which can you try to social engineering through email and mobile number. So here you can see last of the part in the website, which called footer section. So here contact number and their email ID. So some of the cases you can find company employee details, where you can section about section, and here you can find our team member. So here you can find also company employee details, and here you can also collect information about your company, target company, through social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So our next website is tataplay.com. This our footer section. Here you can see corporate office address and their telephone and also email ID and toll-free number. So sometime not find your home page, your target company, so there visit contact us page, and here you can find your this type of information. So next our target website is flipkart.com. Here you can see registered office address and their office address and their telephone number, and you can see their one email ID. So I hope you are understand how to manually find to email ID and mobile number, as well as we can also find this type of information in our tool. How to find it in our tool, which made by me. So let's start. This is my code. You can see. If you need this code, please comment below. I will share with you. Going to our folder and access this file. So cd email finder So firstly you type python you will find .py. So enter a domain. So first we access this information through this domain. So copy it and paste. Remove this section, remove the HTTPS and hit enter and wait a few seconds. This tool collect all pages and find the exact information from the website. So here you can see, here find email address which will be see on website, support@techvan.com and admin@techvan.com. So here you can see it, and also as well as you can see the find phone number, and here you can see find phone number. I will try different website, tataplay.com. So here you can see lot of information. tataplay.com email ID. Here you can see help@tataplay.com. Here you can see help@tataplay.com and phone number. Here you can see an office address. You can see here. This is a office address. This is same office address. So I hope you are all understand about this tool. Moving to next, and here you can see google.com, but here and nothing we find email ID. So how to find email ID in Google? So here I will try to a command line tool which is NSLOOKUP. So this type tool we will find DNS information. So first we will type Windows key R and open a run box, and here type cmd and hit enter, and here you can see a type NSLOOKUP and hyphen type is equal to we need a DNS information, DNS record type. So there are different type of records such as EA record, MX record, SOA record, different types of record which we will be see in DNS enumeration part. Here we find email address. So we will type SOA record, but do not MX record. MX record represent the email service information which is on or off. Here we gather only email ID. So here we type SOA and then type domain name. So domain name google.com and hit enter. So here you can see information about our target, and here you can see primary name server is this and responsible mail address. Responsible mail address we find DNS hyphen admin dot replace to @ So here you can find google.com email address. So I type will another one So here I try flipkart.com. So here you can see primary name server on flipkart.com. In flipkart.com, primary name server is this, and responsible mail address is systemadmin@flipkart.com. I hope you are all understand about this. Now we will try to gathering information about your company employee details. Information about employee details, where you can visit manually on about us page, and here you can see our team members. This type of information you see on about us page. Find on LinkedIn website about your target company. So here I open my LinkedIn profile, and here type Google. So hit enter, and here you can find people option. So hit people section and show all data about employee. Here you can see employee details, software engineer at Google. So here lot of employee details you can find, but I will show automatic through the web-based tool. Few seconds later you can check through it manually, and their contact details, message, more. See here you can see manually collect employee details. And now we will see how to collect this type of information in a tool. Visit this website. I will give the link in description. So when you visit this website, you must be login into it, and when you log in, you can see this type of interface, and you can visit prospect finder, and here you can see four column and 4 section, and here you can see search by title, search by company, search by industry, search by location. And now I will say so search by company, Flipkart, company name Flipkart, and hit go ahead button. And here you can see lot of information about Flipkart employee details and with their designation. Here you can see username, employee name, and their designation and their email ID. And you can, when you can hit show button, here you can show email ID, and sometimes you can find their mobile number. And any use social media platform, here you can see social media information. So here you can see their social media information, this employee. And when you can hit show button, visible all this type of information. I hope you are get lot of information. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.